Hello, Pisces. Welcome to your reading. This is for May 24 to May the 27th. So, Pisces, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the exact notification bell. At kung gusto nyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, na meron po tayo dun sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung wala po kayong time, no, para abangan ang ating live sessions, don't worry, no? Sa comment section po ng YouTube video na ito, pwede po kayong magtanong, no? As long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Pisces, kung feeling nyo hindi naman kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no lang na sagot, wag pa rin po kayong mag-alala, no? You have a lot of choices how to ask a question. Um, Meron po sa description box, no? Merong link. So, all you need to do is to either click the link or copy the link, no? You will be routed to my website, no? And then, meron po dong form, no? Good for one question, two questions, and we have a promotion of 4+1, no? So, Pisces, kung gusto nyo rin pong mag-avail ng ating private reading, at dito po yun, no, sa description box. So, ganun din, mararoute kayo sa ating website and follow the instructions. So, Pisces, magsimula na tayo. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Pisces, take what only yours. So, magsimula na nga. Exchanging of gifts, never-ending story, and a change of in the wind. Parang urong-sulong naman itong nagiging relasyon mo, Pisces. So, sometimes, kapag fully involved yung tao or nagre-reciprocate, sobra-sobra, no? At parang pakiwari ko, ang nagiging sistema dito kapag papunta na sa seryosong usapan or seryosong relasyon, no? Kapag napapansin ng person mo na nagiging um, malambot siya or nagiging emotional, no? Bigla na lang nag-change yung ambience, nag-iiba yung kumbaga energy. I'm seeing mood swings, no? So parang sa'yo, itong relasyon na 'to parang oo na parang hindi, 'no? With the Ten of Cups, the Fool card, and the Star, I can see na marami ding sigurong sinasabi nating priorities, 'no, sa buhay. Yung sa'yo gusto mong mapunta ito into another level of commitment, 'no? Puwedeng cohabitation or living together or yung live-in, no, proposal or marriage. I'm also seeing here na baka meron kayong age gap, no? Age gap, it could be May-December love affair, it may not be. No, May-December love affair, ito po yung sabihin natin 72 years old and their partner is 25 years old. If not, baka konti lang din yung gap. Or meron ditong, kung hindi naman edad yung ating pinag-uusapan, no, pwedeng yung maturity. Pwedeng yung isa mature na mag-isip, yung isa naman medyo childish, no? I'm seeing that the other person is very serious sa buhay. Yung isa naman is the total opposite. So nakakita ako dito ng parang stagnation or hindi pag-usad, no, ng relationship. So parang na-stuck kayo sa isang lugar, no, or na-stuck kayo sa isang relasyon na hanggang dito na lang ba? Yung tanong mo sa sarili, hanggang dito lang ba tayo? Kasi what I wanted in here is maging seryoso na, mapunta na tayo into something really serious. Two of Cups, the Tower, and the Ten of Pentacles. So parang naiisip mo dito, Pisces, sumobra nga ba ako ng pagmamahal? Sumobra nga ba ako ng pagtrato, no, sa aking person? Na baby ko ba siya ng masyado? With the Hermit card and the Four of Wands. So parang sa'yo, the only solution here to make our connection more firm, no, is magkaroon talaga ng isang sobrang seryosong relasyon or mapunta ito sa living together, kasal, no? Uh, with the Sun and the Six of Swords. So parang kung maaari, gusto mong mapag-usapan ito within this season, no? As much as possible, gusto mo sigurong pag-usapan, no? Na how to put this connection into another level of commitment. Kasi parang sa'yo, I need security. I wanted to have security in our relationship, no? So this is your reading for now, Pisces. So let's check here, no, yung zodiac sign ng person mo. It could be their sun sign. It could also be a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Leo. I'm seeing Virgo. I'm seeing Taurus, no, Pisces. I'm seeing Cancer. I'm seeing Aries, Aquarius. So Sagittarius, no? So this is your reading, Pisces. So for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, hit the notification bell para po ma-notify po tayo every time tayo nagla-live, no? Or nagre-release ng bagong video. Again, pwede kayong magtanong, no, sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And dun po yun sa kabilang channel, pwede kayong umattend ng live sessions or magtanong just sa form sa description box. Click or copy the link. You'll be routed to my website. And type in your question, click submit, follow the instructions. Ang private reading po for schedules, nandun din po yan sa baba, no? So this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just